Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download your app from Base44 in the quickest and simplest way possible. So let's get started. Now, once you're inside the app you've created, let's say it's a simple calculator app, you want to look to the top right corner of the screen, and then you'll see a button there that opens up your project's code view. Now, you want to click this three dot button, and a window will pop up showing all your files. Now, here's the important part. You want to look for the option that says export project as zip. This option. Now, that's the feature that lets you download your entire app in one click. But before you can use it, there's one requirement. The zip export feature is only available on the Builder Pro, Elite, or Enterprise plans. So if you're on a free or lower tier plan like I am, you'll see an upgrade prompt. Just click the upgrade your plan prompt and choose the plan you need. And once your account is upgraded, you'll be able to download your full project instantly as a zip file. That's it. Super quick and super easy. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.